one with the law, the act that he introduced for zakah. So of course, the president of IDB wouldn't have any other one other than this man who loves Pakistan and who used to wear even the Pakistani cap. And this one who is also concerned about the issue of zakah. So he assigned me to make this study. This study was very interesting. In fact, we saw, for instance, people of great interest, really. One of the farmers once told us, because I made several visits and made surveys with people and all that. Well, one of the farmers told us that, okay, we pay the zakah of Ziaul Haq, but we also pay our own zakah. In addition to that, we distribute it directly to the poor and needy in our area. That's one of the performances. We've seen also people that a person who was given zakah, he was really poor, and he was given zakah in one of the villages. Then he came to us and said, well, I want to return this amount that was given to me, because there are people who are more poor than me, who deserve it better than me. And he did actually return that amount that was given to him. But more interesting, when I met with Ziaul Haq, and he, in that meeting, he invited some others, including Ishaq Khan was his name? The one who became, Ghulam Ishaq, who was the one who became president after after Ziaul Haq was assassinated. And there was also Mahbub al-Haq, and there was a minister of finance, and group of ministers really, including because Ghulam Ishaq was the head of the parliament at that time. So in that meeting, I explained to the president the findings I got, and it was really a book, 120-page book, big size. But I kind of gave him a summary, and also mentioned that we need really some expansion of the zakah. So Ziya al-Haq, oh, do you think that, not Ziya al-Haq, this Ghulam Ishaq, said, are you talking about zakah as being a really total social security system? I told him, of course it is. This is what zakah is. And in fact, the idea was it should have been as a full-fledged social security system that can take care really of creating more justice in the society. Now, unfortunately, a later coup came and eliminated that zakah through some other arrangement through the Supreme Court, and using or abusing probably some errors or not errors, a loophole I should say, in the original act, that zakah became on the side and was not really any more important in Pakistan. Thank you very much for
up on stage, but we have a guest who's leaving, Mr. Yilmaz Mountain, so we would like to